The Peugeot 208 has an automatic park brake, which is a handy feature. If for some reason you don't want it coming on automatically for towing or whatever, then you can turn off that automatic mode so that it'll only come on manually by pulling the button. So I'll go through 1, how to disable the automatic park brake activation. The automatic handbrake is done through the menus. And 2, how to manually shift the vehicle from out of park into neutral with the vehicle turned off. Pull up to activate the handbrake. That's on. You push down to turn it off. And if we turn off the vehicle, the handbrake has turned itself on automatically. So I want to stop that from happening. There's a few steps you need to go through to disarm that. And this step will disarm that automatic parking permanently. You'll have to repeat this procedure if you want the automatic parking to work again. So let's go through that procedure. First, foot on the brake pedal. Start the engine. If we want the park brake on, which it is, now we take the foot off the brake pedal. Push the brake switch to off and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Foot on the brake pedal, pull up the switch. 1, 2. Release the brake pedal. And if we look on the dashboard, see that symbol all the way on the left there? That says auto park brake is now off. Okay, so let's try it out. First, I'll take the park brake off, leave my foot on the brake pedal, push it down. Okay, the park brake's off. And now I'm going to turn the vehicle off. All right, it's all closed down. And notice the park brake has not turned itself on. Those rear wheels can turn. So that'll be handy for servicing the back brakes, etc. Procedure is from page 91 in the owner's manual. If you want to re-enable the automatic park brake, you go through the same procedure. Not in reverse, it's the same procedure. Foot on the brake. Start the engine. Park brake on. Now I take my foot off the brake pedal. Push this down for 10 to 15 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Foot on the brake, pull up. 1, 2. So same procedure, and now the automatic park brake off warning light has gone away, which means it's back in auto mode. So it's not possible to disengage park through the menus inside the car. You can go through and put it in neutral. It'll go back into park as soon as you turn the vehicle off. To take the vehicle out of park, we need to do that mechanically through the gearbox. Where exactly is this gearbox for disengaging park? It's located down here. Let's have a closer look. So down here, box has some black fins, and to the left of it is a small plastic cover. Take a closer look at that. Okay, so you get a T10 on there to remove that cover plate. Normally you'd access from above, but so you can see what I'm doing, I'll access it from underneath. So a T10 Torx is what you need to undo this one. 2 very small screws holding it in place. It shouldn't take much force at all to get those 2 undone. I'm doing it this way just so you can see what I'm doing. So 2 little T10 Torx screws, and this is the plastic cover. It just has a little O-ring holding it in place. That little brass nut is the one we need to turn. Okay, so we can see that wheel won't turn. That is in park. Let's see if we can get it out of park. Now a 7mm socket is what you'll need for this job. A 932-inch socket will probably do. Okay, so it's stopped there. I've gone anti-clockwise as far as I can go, and it's in park. All right, so let's try it clockwise. Okay, so it's actually tightening up at that point. clockwise, and it is in neutral. All right, so winding this clockwise till it stops. You don't need to do it up tight, just till it any resistance at all. It is in neutral. Now that wheel will spin freely, and if we turn it anti-clockwise many turns till it stops, then it will be back in park. During normal use, you want the vehicle to not roll away on its own. When you turn the car off, it'll automatically go into park and it will automatically put the handbrake on. Some situations, you want to be able to move the car with the engine off. For example, if you're doing work on the back brake. From what I can work out, the owner's handbook is saying if you're towing an E208, that you lift the front wheels and only have the back wheels on the ground. Hope you found that useful. See you for the next video.